Hey, it's Shigo.
Hi, I'm Yoan.
Today, we're supposed to do a makeup look in 30 minutes using only unconventional tools.
Bring it.
Oh, wow. So we got a mushroom. I'm hungry so thank y'all. Got an egg. I don't know what the I'm supposed to do with an egg.
I have an idea.
Oh, you have an egg?
Yeah.
How long do we have?
What?
30 minutes. You ready?
Yeah. Let's cook.
First of all,
Do you want eggs?
oh no, I'm good, thank you. You already got
I
breakfast.
try with the mushroom. Bye, pimple.
One of them. It's time to paint.
Too much noise.
Coronavirus. My skin looks flawless right now.
I don't think so.
You're blind anyways.
There you go. Hola, chico. What?
It's good for the hair. Oh, 19 minutes. You okay, sis?
Yeah.
Okay. So what look are you going for, sis?
I don't know.
You don't know, you're just
No,
doing it?
Now? Yeah.
That's beautiful. We're going to the circus? Ten minutes. Sorry, I forgot.
And it's not the first time, sis.
Roll back the tapes.
The video don't lie.
No,
So.
roll the tapes. That's very David Bowie-esque. I like it. You're having a mental breakdown?
Yeah.
Good. Hahaha.
Okay guys, 5 minutes left.
Good.
I want to remove everything.
Hurry up.
How long?
25 seconds.
I said do
What?
a countdown.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop!
Ah! So sis, what do you think?
Glitter on your hairline is so 2016.
I won though, clearly.
Me
I
too,
put
me
egg
too,
in
me
my
too.
hair.
Yeah, but
egg.
it's not a hairstyle challenge.
Well, it's a full
makeup
look.
challenge.
Head to neck.
You're lucky I don't have a third egg.
Well, you're lucky I don't have more purple paint. Well, let's sell the look a little bit now, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's go.
They say there's something in the water that got them all acting so crazy. Don't know why they even bother showing up, calling me mommy. Can't get that summertime body for free. Why you be calling, we don't wanna speak. Yeah.
Okay, so I think we're pretty much done, kinda. This was very fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and
See you next time.
bye. Y'all for
Thank
that.
you. I know I'm Portuguese, but
Girl. Oh.